What's up, guys? It's Tay Nelson, and in this video I'm going to explain to you guys why photographers and videographers are failing. If you don't know by now, most of the world is broke. Can we at least agree on that, right? Most of the world is broke. Even rich people are broke because their money's tied up in their business, right? So let me ask you this question. Why is it that photographers and videographers are always going after people, right? They're going after portraits. They're going after wedding photographies. Like, how many fucking times is a motherfucker gonna get married, right? So if people are broke, why is it that photographers and videographers go after people? And what do I mean by that? They go after portraits, weddings, right? They're going after baby showers. Like, how many times is someone gonna have a baby? How many times is someone gonna get married, right? How much money can you make off of this? You know, you get customers and you can only work with them once a year, right? So here's the alternative. If you're a photographer or a videographer, what you need to do is learn marketing. Learn marketing so that you can use your skill along with marketing and grow a client's business, right? Use your excellent photos, use your excellent video making skills, your video editing skills, and start running ads for clients, right? Instead of having 10 weddings, you could have 10 clients paying you $5,000 to $10,000 plus per month. So if you're a photographer or a videographer, I have a free training that will show you guys exactly how I made way more money than you using your skill as a complete beginner. And mind you guys, I didn't have any photography skills before I ever, started my marketing agency. I literally picked up a camera and just started shooting, right? So I'm gonna show you. So if you're a photographer or a videographer and you're broke right now and you wanna learn how to make money, you wanna learn how I made more money than you using your skill, then you need to click the link below in my description. And I'll show you guys exactly how you can clone my entire agency in under 40 minutes. So, photographers, videographers, I'm talking to you. Especially if you're still going after weddings and portraits and you're still hosting your $50 flash sale on Facebook. Go fucking find a business to go harass and go make some money. And if you don't know how, again, I have a free training. My name is Tay Nelson. See you guys on the other side.